backs up and then able to find Vernon Davis, who thought he was going to go up and over Amukamara. And Amukamara said, you know what, I'll just back up. Instead of being a human hurdle.
52 to go in the half. Fitzpatrick over the middle. There is Marshall. Wide open. Drops the ball. Eagles pick it up. They've got the turnover. Marshall had it.
First and goal, sprint right, looking over his options, nearly lost his footing. You cannot take a sack, as we just talked about, and the ball goes into the hand.
Oh, Tannehill wasn't ready for it, and that's going to be a safety. Complete breakdown on community.
Jared Brown running out of the pressure and making like Michael Vick. Jared Brown.
And oh my goodness. It is intercepted and inside the...
Carr. Again, the dump off. And Murray hurdles out of bounds with 5 seconds left in the city.
They rush 4. Dalton tries to keep the play alive, and why throw it away?
This will be a career-long high snap picked up by Pope, who pooch punts it inside the 5 and out of bounds at the 1.
Extra offensive lineman in. And Brown gets stopped. Ball is loose. It's a fumble. And the 49ers
spots and then attacking.
Carr backed up. Oh, picked off. How sloppy was that? Corey Littleton with the intercept.
and he breaks a couple of tackles.
And Boston Scott inside the 5. Oh my, who is Boston Scott?
Collins, wide open receiver downfield, and he threw to the wrong man. He threw for Ike Hilliard, and Amani Toomer was way.
It's intercepted. Intended for Ronnie White. It's Dre Bly. He fumbles. Ryan tried to cover, and then it's Todd McClure, the center.
Oh, Smith wasn't ready. He's able to fall on it. So it bounces off of him. And the Redskins will punt.
Pierre Paul was driving. It's Rogers Cromartie with the interception.
Another receiver screen. Wilson breaks 3 again. Wilson to the house. Touchdown, Miami.
The Browns are starting inside their own 15. A flea flicker from their own end zone into triple coverage, and it's intercepted by George Iloka.
And under pressure, and no chance. No chance, and the Carr had to throw it away.
Reed weaving through traffic, remains on his feet. Here's Reed across the 20, across the 10, loses the football into the end zone. Who's got it?
8 seconds. And Romo wasn't ready for the snap. And then just has to throw it away. Of all things, not ready for the snap. Same score. O.J. McDuffie. Well, a little tightrope. Hey, I'm going in. No, you're not. Nice play by Tommy Bennett. Kwame Lassiter, the Swami's cousin.
Play fake. Ryan. Intercepted. Picked off at the 5. Touchdown to Quell Jackson.
From the 16. Here's Prescott. Freedom in the pocket and now running with it. And leaping 2 yards shy of the first.
Detroit and Reich will just down it. 8 seconds left.
No, he can't do that. It was 4th down.
4th down.
He couldn't do that. The game's over.
He did it.
The blitz.
Under pressure. And he threw it and it got picked. Midfield. Grabbed by Marcus Peters, and Peters returns it.
And he'll come around the right side, and Ted Ginn. Down the sideline he goes, and he gets wrestled out of bounds, and 3 flags come in. You all saw that.
Pass is caught. Diggs! Sideline! Touchdown!
Comes in, he's got him dialed in, and he just always got it.
Palmer fires over the middle, and that is caught. He goes to the tight end, and that's Darren Fells. Bills riding the Eagles all the way to the 7-yard line, setting up a first down.
Longer. Picked off again. Duron Harmon.
Good move upfield. Brown splits special teamers, and now Brown is off to the races. Hurdles, kicks a man, and a flag is thrown.
Buffalo's offense. Pressure coming. Goff on the move. Has to throw, and the Bills with a great defensive stop on a 4th and 4.
Did to New England. Brady, he's going to get sacked, and he's going to just throw it up for grabs, and it's intercepted. Brendan Ian-Burdett.
He throws back to the quarterback. Andy Dalton's got it. Inside the 10 to the end zone. Touchdown.
Yard line. Mullins throws, and it's picked off. And all the way to the end zone. Touchdown, Alex Singleton. And the ball is handed off to Brandon Cooks, who tries to hurdle and can't. Tackled by McLeod. So Cooks, who came over and
sweeping the Jets for the first time since 2009. 4th and 6, and Fitzpatrick intercepted by Tony Lippett. He can't.